Hey y'all, it's your girl Cousin Chloe here. I put together a quick video to show you how to achieve a perfect wing liner. Very simple, easy steps. One using a liquid eyeliner and the other one using a gel eyeliner. Stay tuned. Hope you enjoy. Start in the middle and draw your outline. Then go down to the center, to the beginning, and connect. Connect your line. Fill in the bottom. And then to build the wing, you want to draw your line from the bottom of the eye up. And then you want to go about halfway and connect. Fill it in. And you've got your wing. Now, using the gel eyeliner, you want to do the same thing. Draw on the thickest part first at the edge, in the middle. Use the remaining amount and go to the front of the eye. And drag and connect. Fill in along the lash line. Then continue to expand. And you're just brushing back and forward to fill it in. Then you're going to grab a little bit more of the product and same process, going down from the bottom of the eye, go up, go about halfway and connect and fill in the bottom. It's a smaller wing, but it's still a wing. See, that was easy, right? Now, don't forget to like this video and definitely don't forget to subscribe. And do me a favor, share it with a friend too. I'll see you next time.